With the recent changes to the YouTube Partner Program, a lot of small channels are looking for ways on how to earn money from YouTube without being a partner. In this video, I will show you 7 ways to monetize YouTube videos without being a partner. I'm pretty sure you haven't heard of this first YouTube monetization alternative, which is called Brave. Brave is a web browser that enables YouTube creators to monetize their content. I will show you step by step. Simply download the Brave browser. The link is in the description below. Then you need to add your YouTube channel to start making money. Click on Get Started, give your email address. Then check your email and verify. Next, give your name to complete registration. Then you need to add your YouTube channel. So select your YouTube channel and give access to view your account. Here you see my channel added. Now whenever someone watches your YouTube channel on the Brave browser, you will start earning VAT tokens. Affiliate marketing. Anyone can include links to products, and when audience members click through and buy them, you get a commission for those sales. Many YouTube users use Amazon's affiliate program, although there are plenty of more to choose from. I use ClickBank product. It's the best way for me to earn money from YouTube without being a partner. I have created in-depth videos in the past on how to make money with ClickBank. I've added the links below in case you have missed those videos. Patreon is another good way to make money on YouTube without partnership. Patreon is a membership platform where people support creators by paying monthly fees. You can create various packages. If you can offer a special reward to your loyal supporters, they may provide a few dollars each month. All you need to do is simply post a link in your description as well as mention your Patreon link in your videos. Create your own products. If you have an idea and a passion to see it through, get it done. You can promote it via YouTube. Here you see Tiffany, who created her own lash line product. She has about 1600 subscribers at the time of recording this, but this video has over 48,000 views. Another YouTube income method is to generate leads. This is one of my favorite methods because it's effective. I create video tutorials where I send people to a squeeze page to collect their contact information, meaning emails. I then follow up with them by recommending my products and services via email. So far, I've covered 5 different ways to earn money from YouTube. Keep watching. The next one is to find sponsors. You can get sponsorships for your YouTube channel or for a series of videos or for a single video. And your sponsorships can range from free products in exchange for a review to a significant amount of money in exchange for product and brand promotion. The types of YouTube partnerships you get will depend a lot on how big your audience reach is and how much you want to do to promote the brands that sponsor you. If you don't have specific brands in mind, then you want to approach a sponsorship, watch the previous video I created on 5 websites that connect YouTube creators with brands that want to partner with them. No matter how small your channel is, there is something that suits everyone. Merchandise. Creating and selling merch and clothing for your channel might sound like a big endeavor, but it's really simple. There are a lot of websites that offer printing on demand. You can create your own line store, upload your designs and let your fans buy merchandise with those designs. I will create a future video on step-by-step details on making merch for your YouTube channel. Subscribe if you don't want to miss out on that. I upload videos every Saturday. Now you know how to earn money from YouTube without being a partner. If you are a YouTube creator and has been affected by the changes to the YouTube Partner Program, then give these YouTube monetization alternatives a try.